Today I'm going on a ride right here on the lake trail that's by my house. And today I want to talk about self-care and specifically just taking a moment out of the day that is just for you, whatever that moment may be. I think sometimes we get so busy with life that we can forget to take a moment for ourselves to rest, relax, recharge, and to replenish the energy that we've lost. So today, I have just a few minutes to take a deep breath and just enjoy this beautiful lake trail and share that with you. So thank you for coming along for this ride. Today I can hear the birds chirping in the trees. It's quite windy today, so I'm feeling a lot of wind rustle through my hair. And the sun has just set. And so it feels amazing. The temperature, I'm wearing a coat right now because I'm riding, but it's actually about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's quite pleasant out here. There are some bugs. Maybe you'll see these swarms of bugs around my face. Ooh, one just buzzed in my ear. And there are lots of bugs, swarms of bugs up above my head, but as long as I keep my mouth closed, then hopefully no bugs will fly in. We'll see. Because I won't keep my mouth closed. I'll be talking, but anyway, you can see off to the side here just this beautiful, beautiful lake, and the water is shimmering or glistening as the sun sets in the west over there. So behind me is the east, and the sun comes up, and right now in the summertime it's in the south here across the sky, and then it sets over there in the west. So we get this beautiful shimmering reflection and that orange glow on the lake around sunset time. And like I said, sometimes I feel like we forget. We forget to enjoy nature. We forget to take a moment to be outside and to get away from our responsibilities at work or at school, in the community, or even our responsibilities in the family. With our busy lives, it's important to take a few minutes to ourselves. I hope you can hear me okay because it's very windy. So I think I'll slow down for just a minute here, and I am going to kind of zip up my coat just a little bit, and I hope that helps. I hope that helps you hear me a little bit better. Although I imagine you're still hearing a lot of that wind sound. If you look over my shoulder here, you can see those leaves rustling as the wind blows through them. And yeah, as I was thinking about going out tonight, I thought, this is gonna feel great. I can go out for a quick ride. I can reconnect with you. We can go on this little English listening journey together, relax, and enjoy. And maybe some of that self-care time for you is focusing on your English listening, because I know that as I'm learning Chinese, sometimes I feel like I don't have time to listen to Chinese. I don't have time to learn. And so even, it sounds funny, but even taking 20 minutes to watch a show in English, or to listen to one of these videos in English and practice your listening skills, that can be a moment of time for yourself and time to polish your skills. I know for me, it always feels really rewarding when I can check that off my list. Like, I can say, today I want to study Chinese. And so then I can check that off my list. And because you know what? Learning a language is hard. And learning English is really hard, especially if you're not in an environment that's consistently speaking English, or an environment that is fully immersive. And so I think if you want to learn, then you have to be even more proactive about listening and studying, practicing. For those of you that have walked with me before, you know I've just gone into the tunnel of trees, where there are these 40 or 50 foot trees towering above me, and they make it really dark for just a few seconds. But like I said, learning a language is hard. And so if you can take that time every day, then you'll see yourself make progress. But if not, then how can you make progress, right? There are so many people that want the rewards, but are not willing to do the hard work that it takes to earn that reward. So in this case, that would be learning English, being fluent, being able to start a conversation, to talk about all sorts of subjects, and to fully understand what people are saying to you. And that takes a lot of time, you know? It takes a lot of effort. And so I challenge you to take that time for you, and take that time to learn the language. And then, of course, there's time to take for yourself where you're not doing anything really. You're not studying or learning. You just, take a moment to enjoy the sunset, or go for a walk, or go dancing, or take a long shower, or eat your favorite dessert or your favorite food. There are times for that to take care of yourself. But anyway, my thought today was to encourage you to take the time for yourself to learn the language and to spend each day learning. I just got to the end of this trail, but there's this new trail here. Would you like to check it out with me? I've never been down this path before, because they've just recently poured all of this asphalt here. And so all of this has just recently been poured. And I was talking to the construction workers here a few days ago, and they said they are building a marina. So a place where the boats can launch off into the lake. So I'm gonna bring my boat here when I have a boat. I don't have a boat, but you know, maybe one day. So let's check it out. I've never seen this place, but it looks like now there's a hole through the cones here, or a space. So let's take a little time for us right now, okay? You know, have a little time for self-care, practice our English listening, and just enjoy this little ride. So before they paved this trail and started building this marina, all of this area was like a field, kind of like, it looked like this behind me. And no one could really access this part. So it looks like over here, I can go almost to the water's edge. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, I'm glad you came with me tonight. Look at this. So right over here, oh my goodness. Oh no, look at this. So this is the marina. This is the first time I've seen this, okay? So I'm gonna pull over here so you can see it. It's a little bit, ooh, it's a little bit bumpy here, but look at this. Look how cool. Oh my goodness, you gotta see this. So, like I said, this is the first time I've seen, oh my gosh, my cable. Guys, this is the first time I've seen this, I'm gonna just set that right there for a minute. Like I said, this is the first time I've seen the marina, and look at this. Here's the ramp that goes all the way down into the water, a gentle slope, so you could push your boat right off there into the water. And it looks like there's a trail that also goes over here. I'm gonna see if we can go down it. Let's go, excuse me. Let's go explore together. Guys, why do I always burp in my videos? I think I have indigestion after I start doing a little physical activity or just sitting on my bike. Okay, so look at this. I don't think I'll take you out there because I think it'll be too bumpy. But look at this. There's a pathway that goes all the way out there. Can you see that? Oh, that is so cool. Oh, that is so cool. I gotta take you out there, right? Okay, let me see what I can do here. All right. Okay, I'm just going to park my bike here for a second. And then I have my whole camera attached here, so I've never done this, but I'm just gonna pull this off and walk you out there because why not? Let's go. Okay, so I just parked my bike right here. Okay, right there. And now I'm gonna walk you out all the way out as far as I can go over there, okay? Let's check it out. Oh, I'm so excited. Guys, look at this. How fun is this? Oh, wow. So it looks like over here, over my shoulder, right over here, there's a place where you could walk down, and then up here you could get onto your boats, right? The boats are gonna pull up there during the summertime, and then people can go out there and ride their boats. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is a really special experience, a first time for me. I don't even know if I'm allowed to be out here right now, but I'm gonna go anyway. So let's check it out. Oh, I see some other people out here, so I think it should be fine. We won't get in too much trouble. Okay, wow. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. Whoa, it is so pretty. And look over here, wow. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so cool. When they were building this, I didn't think it would be open to the public. I thought this was going to be a private marina that you had to pay for. So, yeah, that is crazy. Oh, it looks like there's a guy fishing over here, look. Wow. Oh, a few people are out here fishing. All right, I won't get too close. I don't want to bother anyone, you know. Oh, this is awesome. You can kind of see the sunset behind me there. Wow. Oh my goodness. Yeah, like I said, this is the first time that I have come out here. Look at this beautiful view. Isn't that incredible? Wow. All right, now I'm coming to the very end here. Check it out. All right, so this is it. Guys, look at this. I reached the very end. And then this is the view right here. Check it out. Whoa. That is so cool. Oh my goodness, look. Look how cool. Wow, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Wow. Well, like I said, this is my first time walking out here. It just happened to be open when I was riding my bike here. And so I just want to say thanks for joining me. And I'll see you next time on another one of these walks or rides. We'll go on another adventure together. Until then, take care of yourself. Find some time that's just for you, and we'll talk again soon.